इस कहानी के सभी पात्र सत्य घटना पर आधारित है और जो इनोवेशन इस चलचित्र में दर्शाया गया है वो हमारे भविष्य की जीवन शैली को बदलने की क्षमता रखता है। इस चलचित्र के द्वारा हमारा उद्देश्य किसी प्रोडक्ट या संस्था का प्रचार करना नहीं है। इस चलचित्र को आज के युवाओं की प्रतिभा को सामने लाने के लिए वन फाउंडेशन के सहयोग से डिम्स इनोवेशन क्लब स्टूडियो में बनाया गया है।
Lush green farms, meadows, beautiful sceneries are usually the best sight from villages. This has undergone a change where technology has made inroad to the villages. High-tech equipments, computers, IT are commonly visible in rural village. Mobile phone is the part of this growth where a lot of application and communication-based usage is benefiting farmers. But power failures has taken this benefit away from the farmers. This is New India. This is all happening here. This decade belongs to us. And something interesting is happening at the 0 miles of India, the center of India, Nagpur. Today youth has the power to change our future and destiny. A lot of students are taking education in numerous institutions, maybe known and unknown. Can these ordinary students create extraordinary innovations for social benefits? One among such talent youth is making an attempt for a larger innovation.
मोबाईलची बॅटरी डिस्चार्ज झाल्यावर आपल्याला मोबाईल चार्ज होईपर्यंत वाट पाहावी लागते. पण आता नो वेटिंग, ओनली वॉकिंग. कारण तुमच्या बुटामध्येच तुमच्या मोबाईलची बॅटरी चार्ज करता येणार आहे. नागपूरच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी बुटामध्ये प्रिझो क्रिस्टल प्लेट फिट करण्याची सिस्टीम तयार केली आहे. या प्लेटमध्ये मोबाईल बॅटरी ठेवली की चालताना निर्माण होणाऱ्या ऊर्जेमुळे मोबाईलची बॅटरी चार्ज होणार आहे. या अफलातून डिव्हाइसचा निर्माण करता आहे नागपूरचा मंदार तुळणकर.
क्रिस्टल्स बद्दल मी बुक्स मध्ये वाचलं होतं आणि याचं प्रॅक्टिकल इम्प्लिमेंटेशन म्हणून एक मोबाईल शू चार्जर असं तयार केलं. मोठी गोष्ट म्हणजे शूचं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग प्रोसेस कुठेही बदलत नाहीये. दुसरी गोष्ट, मला ॲडिशनल किंवा स्पेशल शूज बनवायची काही गरज नाही. जे मार्केटमध्ये शूज अवेलेबल आहेत, मी त्याचं फक्त वरचं सोल काढलं, त्याच्या खाली आपलं सोल टाकलं, वरचं सोल परत रिप्लेस केलं आणि ते शूज बनवलं.
How did this idea came into your mind?
Yeah, so basically it was my first year vacations and I just needed something creative thing to work on, and I was googling down the sites and I came upon an IIT Kanpur's Golden Jubilee Alumni Convention. It was basically a fest and there I pitched up this idea. I read about those crystals and the concept, and from there things happened.
Mandar didn't come to me first with the idea. He came to me regarding the fact that he just wanted to do something of his own. And then he had a couple of ideas wherein he could do, a technical stuff or something in management side. And then he slowly came up with this idea, and we were very happy about it because we always wanted these students to do something in the electronics or the robotics side. So when he told me something about, the shoe charger, we thought that it's going to really, be innovative and a breakthrough in electronic products. So we're very happy and ecstatic about it, and we said that as much as help you need, we will go ahead and do it.
Like people call me, and now I love having that name. It's Simply Maddie, which is the superlative degree of madness. Like people dream of having a placement in a big company, but what I basically dream of was these companies were started at some point of time, and I wanted to, like as I said, I work for myself, so I wanted to have something of my own. An idea which actually turns out to be a source of employment for other people.
बट मेरे दिमाग में थोड़ा सा ये आ रहा था कि मार्केट में इतनी सारी कॉम्पिटिशन्स है और ये न्यू इनोवेशंस है, ये मार्केट में सक्सेस होगा या नहीं होगा, फिर पार्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट का कैसा करेंगे, फिर बाद में मराठी मेंटेलिटी जो रहती है कि थोड़ा बिजनेस को वो मतलब इतना वेटेज नहीं देते, तो फ्यूचर कैसा रहेगा, क्या रहेगा, तो देखते हुए थोड़ा सा मतलब दिमाग में थोड़ा सा ये था, क्वेश्चन मार्क था कि मतलब ये सॉर्ट आउट होगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा। मम्मी का सपोर्ट ज़्यादा था उसमें, वो हमेशा उसको मतलब मोटिवेट करती रही और बोली कि नहीं तू कर, इसमें कोई तेरे को टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं।
I won't call it a barrier. In my terms, it was a downfall. Like things went on very smooth. 48 hours. One set the product rolled on. I went to IIT Kanpur. I picked up the first prize. And then I thought, ki boss, this is okay. That was a very decent. It was more than expected. But then came a downfall of a span of 6 months. 6 months, 28 forums in a row, and I was rejected. Like the investors said no, the market guys said no, the media people said no after a time, and it was no from everywhere. So then I retrospected like what is the thing that is going wrong? Where am I going wrong? Like 6 months, 21 competitions. I backed up first prize at the very first competition. Then that was the point when I sat back for a while, and then after that there was no looking back. The first thing is I want people to be benefited out of this innovation, which was my primary objective.
शुरू से जब उसने इंजीनियरिंग चालू किया था तभी से उसने बोला था कि मेरे को नौकरी नहीं करना है और मेरे को खुद अपना चालू करना है।
The story of mobile shoe charger is a perfect example of talent of youth that we have available around us. It's a classical story where an ordinary person can give birth to an extraordinary idea, and this idea can take shape of an innovation. It also highlights that innovation is something which doesn't need to have a big background, a good amount of funds or a big college. It's something which can be done by an ordinary person anytime, anywhere, any place. How can a normal person take up unconventional route of not being a job doer but aspiring to become a job creator and taking on it onto an entrepreneurial journey?
इनिशियली इसने अपना शू चार्जर का जब आइडिया लाया तो लगता था हाँ क्या पिद्दी सा आइडिया है, ये है वो है, कुछ मतलब नहीं होगा करके इसने इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया, होगा आगे बढ़ेगा आगे जाके रुक जाएगा। बट जो इसका जो प्रोग्रेस देखा हमने, आगे धीरे धीरे लेवल पे आया। इवन एक मंदार ने एक धीरे धीरे हर एक सर्टिफिकेशन, हर एक बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशन में जाके एक अवार्ड जीते हैं उसने।
Are your best friends whenever they are, wherever they are. While Mandar read that one paragraph, the idea clicked in his mind. But what was more important is that he captured it and it was converted into a patent. And that patent has proved it to be a success story thereafter. So I will reiterate, it is self-belief, books and action coupled with planning every time and any time is what makes success.
Follow your heart, and one day the world will follow you. And remember only one thing, no one can beat you unless you don't think you're losing. So a single mistake, since you're holding the topmost position, will affect a huge mass. So that creates some like leadership quality.